Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to drop a pin and send it to someone in Google Maps. This is incredibly useful when you need to share an exact location with friends, colleagues, or family, whether it's a meeting spot, a restaurant, or any specific place you want others to find easily. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you directly to the Google Maps homepage where you can search and explore locations worldwide. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar map interface with a search bar at the top. Now find the place where you want to drop your pin. You can do this by either typing the location into the search bar or simply navigating the map by clicking and dragging until you find the exact spot you're looking for. This flexibility allows you to be as precise as you need to be, whether you're sharing a well-known landmark or a specific point on a quiet street. To drop a pin, simply click on the exact place on the map where you want to mark the location. This action immediately places a red pin at that spot, marking it clearly so both you and anyone you share it with will know exactly where you're referring to. It's a straightforward process that makes location sharing incredibly precise. Once you've dropped the pin, look over to the left side of your screen. Here you'll see a panel that displays all the details of that place. This panel provides useful information like the address, coordinates, and sometimes even photos or reviews if it's a business or popular location. This gives you a chance to confirm you've selected the right spot before sharing. Now, within this Details panel, click on the Share button. This is the key step that allows you to send your pinned location to others. Clicking this will open up several sharing options, making it easy to choose the method that works best for you and your recipient. You'll see that you can share your pin by copying the link directly, which you can then paste into any messaging app or email. Alternatively, Google Maps offers quick sharing options through WhatsApp, X, or Twitter and Gmail. Simply select the platform you prefer, and the link to your pinned location will be automatically inserted, ready to send. And that's it. You've successfully dropped a pin in Google Maps and shared it with someone. This simple process ensures that anyone you send the location to will have the exact spot you've marked, making meetups and directions hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.